Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Google Sheets and Docs with Google Gemini AI chat. So what you're going to do, open up your Google Gemini chat. So open up your Google Gemini chat and log in with the same account that your Google Sheets and Docs are connected with. So make sure you are logged in with the same account. So once you've logged in with the same account here, so what we can do here is you can go and click on the settings option here, which is on your bottom left. There will be a settings option. Click on the settings option. From here, select apps. Okay, click on the apps and you'll get to this screen here. So if you scroll down under productivity, you will see Google Workspace. So to connect your Google Sheets and Docs, all you have to do is turn on your your Google Workspace. So toggle this switch and turn it on. Okay, and then hit on connect, and that will connect your Google Sheets, Docs, and everything through Workspace. Okay, it will be connected. So once it's connected now, you can now return back to your Gemini screen and then start using it. It's now been connected. Alternatively, what you can do in the chat box here on your Gemini, you can type in @ when you type in @ you will see all the services that's been enabled or connected here. So from here, so for example, whether you want something from the Google Sheets or like Docs, for example, like Google Docs, you can select Google Docs and then ask any questions. Okay, any question that's related to your Google Docs or anything, you can just ask Gemini and Gemini will actually find or locate the answers for you from your Google Docs. And that's how you actually connect it and then use it. Hope the video was helpful.